How to buy CamScanner subscription on Android. If you want to buy the CamScanner application subscription on your Android phone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the CamScanner app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now what you want to do is, assuming that you're already logged into your account where you want to buy a certain subscription, you simply have to tap on the profile icon or the me icon from the bottom right of the screen, and once you've done that, you will set this type of option right here, and at the very top of the screen you'll find this option that says upgrade my account or upgrade now option. So all you have to do is just tap on the upgrade now button, and once you've done that, it will ask you to see whether or not you have enabled a free trial, or you can also use the $30 for the first year, or you can select free trial, tap on continue. It will automatically enable the trial if you want to, but you have to just confirm with your payment method. Make sure to enter your payment method, choose your respective card, and tap the subscribe button to subscribe to its premium. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically subscribe and buy subscription of CamScanner app on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.